First of rare occasions does the Supreme Court judge its own judgment. But here we are with the top court of this country ready to set out a message that it does not hesitate to course correct itself in the light of emergent views. This is also an indication of the Supreme Court really accepting as to how the nature of the Indian Constitution, which today we should all be so proud of, is something which is not in the nature of a static document. It is something which is very alive. It's a breathing document, as was enumerated by Honorable Justice D.Y. Chandrachud in the privacy judgment. Now, what has brought about this occurrence today has been the fact that in 2009, the Honorable Delhi High Court had passed a judgment which had decriminalized consensual adult gay sex in India. Subsequent to that, there was an appeal that was filed in the Supreme Court, and by way of another two-bench ruling of the top court, in 2013, the Supreme Court had set aside or reversed the impact of the Delhi High Court judgment, saying that there is a minuscule portion of the population which has ever been convicted or prosecuted under the penal provisions of gay sex in India. Now, what transpired subsequently is hugely interesting, and that is why the eyes of the world are on India today, because India got a privacy judgment in August 2017, which made the earlier two-bench ruling of the Supreme Court completely legally unsustainable. And that is why this Constitution bench, comprising 5 honorable judges of the Supreme Court, have agreed to reconsider, relook their own Supreme Court's two-bench ruling. And therefore, today we are at this juncture where we are going to witness history being created when the Supreme Court looks all inclined to completely do away with the criminalizing aspect of consensual adult gay sex in India.